I love you. Have a good day.
Only cars to shut down the pit. I've got something.
All right. Cool.
Okay.
Hey guys, it's Officer Ben here. This video is going to serve two purposes. The first purpose of this video is I have some footage to show you in the background. This footage will continue to play when I am done speaking. This footage was from last summer. I've never used this footage before. This was Operation Wheels Down, where the City of Columbus and the Columbus Division of Police was cracking down on people who were riding dirt bikes, four-wheelers, and other forms of ATVs on city streets. They were doing so recklessly in many cases and harassing other drivers. So you can watch that in the background. There is a little bit of body camera footage towards the end of this that, again, I have never put on the channel. I didn't know the right way to put it up there, so I'm kind of putting it up there raw today. The other purpose of today's video is I'm announcing that I'm taking a short break. My short break will probably last through the end of April. So if you generally come to my channel every Monday and Wednesday at 5:30 in the morning Eastern time and look forward to seeing new body camera footage, you will not be seeing those videos until May. There's a couple reasons that I'm taking this break, and the reasons I'm taking it right now. One, I don't take a lot of breaks. I've been doing this YouTube thing for almost 2.5 years now, on top of my full-time job as a police officer and my full-time job as the father of 2 daughters. Needless to say, this channel takes up a lot of time. My regular job takes up a lot of time, and my family takes up a lot of time. Unfortunately, the time that often gets sacrificed in order to edit and publish these videos is my family time. It's springtime right now. Last week, my kids were on spring break. I stayed off the computer as much as possible, did not edit anything to publish this week, and I am enjoying having some springtime fun with my kids, and that will continue up until May. Hopefully, I can get a few hours here and there and get some things edited so that once I start rolling again, I'll already have some stuff scheduled for future release, so I can continue kind of taking it easy for a little bit. But regardless of the fact, I'm taking a little break. You won't see any new videos on the channel with any regularity until May, unless something major happens. If there's any major breaking news or very time-sensitive body camera footage that needs to be released, I will edit that and put that out as well. But barring anything like that from happening, you won't hear from me for a little while. So I just wanted to give you guys a warning and let you know that everything is okay. I know that a lot of times when people stop posting videos on YouTube, everyone worries that there's something wrong or that something happened. It's not the case with me. I just need a break. And I had a really bad case of bronchitis a couple weeks ago, and for some reason my voice has not yet recovered. I don't know if it's picking up in the microphone, but I can surely tell, and it's bothering me. So I'm going to take a little break. I will talk to you guys soon.
cruiser pulled up.
And we'll make Bravo 3 for signature.
09 Echo, register and left Bravo 3 and then straighten the signature. This frequency, good day.
We'll stay with you to signature 9 Echo.
You're being detained. Get off.
Why?
Get off. You're being detained. It's a traffic stop. Get off. Put your hands behind your back. You're being detained. What the fuck are you doing? Release your fingers. Go to the room.
Yep. Where we at? Hudson and... What the fuck are you doing?
3-4. We're gonna have a 10-6 in the rear of
Get my
Goodwill
bike!
at High and Hudson.
Get my bike!
Anybody else like to take my weapon?
Get him.
Yep.
So, here, go over to put him over here by CTV.
Hey, you a bitch! Walk back. Fuck you!
All right. Stay here. Spread your feet. Spread your feet. Do you have anything on you can poke, stick, or hurt me?
Huh?
Do you have anything on you can poke, stick, or hurt me?
No. Just my phone and stuff.
All right. Any weapons, anything?
No.
No weapons?
No.
All right. Just gonna pat you down for weapons real quick, okay?
I didn't catch what it was in the rear of. Is he trying to the gas station or a restaurant or something?
High and Hudson, south and east of in the alley.
Okay, sounds good. Yeah.
Nope. All right, come over here. Walk with me.
Hold on, y'all.
Hey, watch him. Stay by the bike. Come on, walk.
If anybody on 4 precinct close to the 5th and Summit getting a vehicle fire blocking.
Get in.
Okay, thanks, 4-4.
I'm assuming cars.
All the way in.
I can't.
Yes, you can.
The belt, the seatbelt, bro.
All the way in.
Anyone else I can help out with 44?
431 that way.
Thank you.
Here. Here's those.
48, you can add us too.
Copy, thank you.
Hey, they didn't put a 10-3 on us, did they?
No.
I love you! Have a good day!
Only cars to shut down the 5th. My gun's coming.
All right.